Welcome to the future of joinery processing with the multifunction CNC Dovetail milling machine. This advanced solution is designed to meet the demands of international furniture manufacturers who need precision, flexibility, and efficiency. Whether you are producing large export orders or handling complex custom designs, this machine provides the reliability and versatility that your factory needs. Imagine your production line running smoothly with automatic feeding, powerful spindle motors, and high-speed milling capability. The CNC system ensures precise dovetail joints every time while reducing manual labor and eliminating errors. Even with varying material sizes and complex patterns, the machine maintains stability and consistency. It is a game changer for companies exporting to markets that require international standards and perfect quality. This machine is equipped with advanced functions that combine multiple woodworking processes into one seamless operation. It can handle a wide range of workpiece sizes from small panels to larger furniture parts. The powerful top and bottom spindles ensure accurate cutting, while the CNC control system allows quick program adjustments for different designs. With working thickness support up to 80 mm and dovetail milling up to 50 mm in diameter, it offers unmatched flexibility by integrating multiple functions into a single machine. You save valuable factory space, reduce operator training time, and achieve higher productivity. The efficiency also translates to lower production costs, which is crucial for maintaining a competitive edge in global markets. If your factory is looking for a reliable and versatile solution to expand production capacity, improve precision, and meet the strict requirements of export markets, the CNC multifunction dovetail milling machine is the right investment. Take the next step today to modernize your production line and secure more international contracts. Contact us now to explore how this machine can elevate your manufacturing process and open new opportunities for your business.